Okay, this is the Topic D Quiz Study Guide. This test is tomorrow, which is October 2nd. And we are going to look at number 1 first. It says use the graph to answer parts A and B. So we're just writing the ordered pairs of each points in part A. Who found the ordered pair for point F? Aiden, what'd you put for the ordered pair of point F? -2, +7. Thumbs up if you agree with Aiden. Okay, we all agree. Let's look at point G. What is the ordered pair for point G, Kinsey?
4 and 7.
Positive both? Yeah, +4, +7. Okay, let's look at point H. Who knows point H? Briley?
-2 and +1.
-2, +1. Thumbs up if you agree. Yes, we agree. All we did was count over on our x-axis and go up on our y to find our ordered pairs. Okay, look at part B. It says, what is the length of the line segment with the endpoints F and G? Abigail. 6. How did you find that, Abigail?
Because I added 4 and 2.
You did what?
I added 4 and 2.
So you took the ordered pair of point G and you took the ordered pair of point F and you said the y's were the same, and are they going across quadrants or are they in the same quadrant? Across. So I'm going to add the absolute value of -2 plus the absolute value of 4, and then 2 plus 4 is 6 what if I'm talking about length? 6 units. Also, if you forgot that you have to add across quadrants, you could have just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you would have gotten the same answer. Okay, who knows the length of the line segment with the endpoints H and F? Audrey, what'd you get? 6. How'd you find that?
I counted the units.
So you just counted the units. You just said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But look at these. Are these in the same quadrant or across quadrants? The same. So you could have just said the absolute value of 7 minus the absolute value of 1, because remember, same is subtract, across is add. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 what if I'm talking about length? 6 units. Does everyone feel good about those? Do I have any questions? No? No questions? Okay, let's look at number 2. Number 2. Was this tricky on the iPad? Did everyone figure out how to do it on the iPad though?
Yes.
Okay, because it will look just like that tomorrow. How you did it today is how you'll do that tomorrow as well. So if you were confused about it today, make sure you ask me tomorrow so we can figure it out. So it says draw a rectangle that has the following 2 points as vertices. What's a vertices? Rowan, what's a vertices?
Where 2 or more points/lines meet.
Yeah, so it's where the lines meet. What did I just do to that definition? Okay, so Rowan gave me the full definition we have on our word wall, which is vertices are where 2 or more points/lines meet. And all I said was where lines meet. So what did I just do to that definition? I did what? I summarized it. Everyone point to summarize on the word wall. Do you remember doing that last section? Yes, it is right there in pink. So vertices is where 2 points/lines meet. So what's my first step to draw this rectangle? Angel, what's my first step?
You need a point.
I need to plot the points. Okay, so I'm going to plot +4, +6, and then I need to plot -3, +1. Is that what you all did? Okay, what do I do now? Caesar, what do I do? Huh? I draw a rectangle, but how do I draw the rectangle? You want to come show me yours? Would that help? Come show me yours. Let's look. Okay. Okay, I see what you mean. Can anyone explain it in words? Riley.
You would like line up the points,
Let's look at this point here.
like you would make them like connect.
Yeah, so I'm trying to connect them. And I know I need a point at the bottom and one right here at the top to make a rectangle, right? How am I going to get this bottom point right here? I'm going to reflect this one over what axis? The Y. If I reflect it over the Y, it's going to end up there. Is that what you guys did? Yes, okay. And then I did the same thing on this side. I'm going to reflect. What did I reflect this point over? The Y. And then you're just going to draw your line segments to connect it. Did everybody get this? Thumbs up. Okay. Okay, sounds good. Vivian, make sure you put your answers in your iPad. Go get your iPad, okay? Thank you. Is that one yours? Okay. Okay, look at this. Number 3 says the points on the graph represent various locations in a city. Each square on the grid represents 1 block. So each square is 1 block. Each line is a street. The school is 2 blocks from the park. So here's the school, and we went 1, 2 to the park. So it says, complete each statement. City Hall is how many blocks from the fruit market? Who knows? Camille, what'd you put? How many? 6. How'd you find that? You just counted over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, who knows how many blocks the park is from the fruit market? Gracie. 7. Let's check her. The park to the fruit market. So here's the park, here's the fruit market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She is correct. Did everyone get this?
Yeah.
Do I have any questions so far? Okay. Let's look at part B. It says circle the answer choice from each list to make each statement true. A grocery store is 3 blocks from the park. And it says 1 possible ordered pair. So if it's 1 possible ordered pair, how many things have you should have you have circled? 1 and possible. So that means there could have been a variation in answers. So how you work this, you're going to look at the answer choices they gave you, and if needed, plot them on that first coordinate plane, and then count the boxes and see if it's 3 away. So what answer did you get, Brandon?
I got 4, -7.
4, -7. He is correct. Did everyone else get this? If we were to plot 4, -7, it is 3 blocks away from the park because it would be 1, 2, 3. Do we all understand that? Okay. What did you get for B? Who got part B? The gas station is 5 blocks from City Hall. Abigail? +3, +3. If we were to plot +3, +3, our gas station would be 5 blocks from City Hall. So +3, +3. Are we ready to move on? Okay. Let's look at 4. This is the last one. It says a rectangular garden has vertices at the given points. The units in the coordinate plane are in meters. Okay, so what helped you find this out? Did all of you use my coordinate plane and plot these points? So once you used the coordinate plane and plotted these points, what did you get as your perimeter, Briley? 38. What did you get as your area, Briley? 88. She is correct. Who did not get this one? Someone bring me one of the the coordinate planes. Let me show you how I work this for it to make sense to me. Thanks, Aiden. What would have helped you do this, and you will have these on your test tomorrow. I'm going to leave them right there. You needed to plot it. So we needed to plot the -3, +3. And then we could have plot the 5, +3, 5, what was it, -8? Yeah, 5, -8, and then -3, -8. And then connected our line segments and made our rectangle. So what was our perimeter formula? Hold up, let me move this up. What was our perimeter formula?
Length plus width times 2.
Length plus width times 2. So what was your length and width?
8 and 11.
8 and 11. So which was 11? This or this? The longer one or this one? Our vertical or horizontal? The vertical sides or the horizontal sides? Verticals are 11. She found this by counting our squares, and then you got 8 for the other. So if you did length plus width times 2, that's 11 plus 8. What's 11 plus 8? 19 times 2 is
38.
38. 38 what if we're in meters? Just meters. Because we are doing the perimeter. So how did you find the area? What's the area formula?
Length times width.
Length times width. So you just said 8 times 11 or 11 times 8. I wrote it backwards. And then what's 11 times 8?
88.
So 88 square meters. That is how you find the answer to number 4. Do I have any questions?